Good morning to everyone at today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission established under Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the commission, and I declare this session open. The hearing is being conducted under the Commission's rules of organization and functioning as part of the evaluation process. The subject of today's hearing is Adrian CERBU, a candidate for the position of judge on the Supreme Court of Justice. The evaluation in relation to Judge CERBU was carried out pursuant to Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. Judge CERBU is a judge at the Court of First Instance in Criuleni. Judge CERBU, welcome. And Romanian is not my native language by far. I apologize if I've mispronounced your name. I'm joined
Bună
by
ziua la toți membrii comisiei.
Hello, all the members of the commission. You pronounced correctly my name.
Thank you. As you may see on the screen, I'm joined by 4 other members of the commission, our Vice Chair, Andre Bevel, and commission members Lillian Anshu, Yuri Gatskin, and Lavly Perling. Commission member Giuliana Civanini is absent from today's hearing. The commission is also assisted by members of its secretariat, and also in the room with you are representatives of the media and the public. A photographer may have taken pictures briefly just before the hearing began. The hearing will be conducted with interpretation between Romanian and English. To allow for accurate interpretation, I ask everyone to speak clearly and slowly. Only one person should speak at a time. The proceedings are being recorded. The recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally will be available online at the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu, within 3 days after the hearing. I will start by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Judge CERBU. The Commission initiated its evaluation on the 24th of August, 2023, by notifying the judge by email and asking him to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law Number 65. Judge returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on September 4th, 2023. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspectorate of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses the information it obtains for relevance and reliability. On the 12th of December 2023, the Commission asked Judge CERBU to provide additional information by December 19th to clarify certain matters. On the 13th of December, the judge requested an extension for providing his answers due to the fact that he was delegated by the SCM in a study visit in Canada. After the Commission granted Judge CERBU a 1-week extension for his response, he provided some answers on December 27th, 2023. The judge also asked for an extension to complete his answer to certain questions, and the Commission granted the judge an additional response, or additional extension rather, for that response. He then provided the requested information on January 3rd, 2024. On the 22nd of February of this year, we notified Judge CERBU that the Commission had finalized its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubt about his compliance with the ethical and financial criteria. The Commission also invited him to attend today's hearing. According to Article 22, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's rules, if the Commission, based on the information collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send the subject a written notice and set a hearing at least 10 days later, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information provided. And the Commission will further announce that absent its receipt of new information, the Commission will adopt an evaluation report containing the proposal for promotion. Judge CERBU, Do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers you've provided to the Commission's requests for information?
Suplimentar nu am ce adăuga.
I have no other things to add.
Are the answers that you provided to the Commission and the other information that was provided in your 5-year declaration and the ethics questionnaire that you returned on the 4th of September 2023, are those still accurate as of today?
Da, la momentul de astăzi eu confirm
Yes,
veridicitatea.
as of today, I confirm their validity and validity.
Thank you. Judge CERBU, would you like to make a brief statement before we conclude the hearing?
Da, sigur.
Yes,
Este
sure.
o oportunitate pentru mine. având
This
în
is
vedere
a
că
great opportunity for me,
video va fi plasat pe YouTube, de
take
vine
into
cu o
account that
declarație.
the video is posted on
primul
YouTube,
rând,
so I have the opportunity to come with a statement.
activitatea
First of all,
comisiei.
I appreciate the
Am
activity
studiat
of the
extrem de
Commission.
atent
I've studied
petiții cu
quite in
informații
depth
care mi-au fost
the
oferite de
USB key with the information that the
Comisiei.
Secretary provided to
Am
me.
constatat un volum enorm de
I
informații
found
care
that
și
there was
mie
a high
personal
volume of
mă utilizat
information
într-un
which will be
viitor
also
sub
very useful for
aspectul
me for the future
raportării la
in terms of
disciplină
reporting
în calitate
from
de
financial
judecător și
perspective
cetățean.
as judge
Aș
and
vrea
citizen.
să aduc
I'd
mulțumiri
like
pentru
to
activitatea respectivă.
bring my gratitude for this
Consider
activity to
activitatea
you.
Comisiei una
I believe that the activity of the
pentru
Commission
sistemul
is a
judiciar
beneficial
din
one for the
perspectiva
judiciary system
abilității
in our country from
mele
the
ca
perspective
judecător
of my
de a
possibility as a
parcurs
judge
unui test de
to
integritate.
undergo such an
Aș vrea
integrity
să
test.
mulțumesc cu
I would
această
like to
ocazie
thank
și
on this
familiei,
occasion also
persoanelor
my
apropiate
family, my
și
close
terțelor persoane
persons,
care
and the third
au binevoit
persons
să
that
răspundă
have
împreună
been
cu mine
willing
la
to
acele întrebări care au
respond
fost
together with me
formulate
to
de către
those questions
comisie.
that were
A fost o
requested by
activitate
the
destul
Commission.
de intensă
It
din
was
partea
an
mea de a
activity
acumula
quite intense
informațiile
from my side
solicitate
to collect the
și
information requested,
apreciez
and
acea
I
disponibilitate de care au
appreciate
dat
the
dovadă
availability they
persoanele
have
menționate
proven
supra.
and
Vin cu
in the
un
above
mesaj
mentioned
pentru
people.
colegi
I have also a
de
message
a
for my
îndemna
colleagues
să
in order
aplice
to
la
encourage them
concursurile
to
anunțate de
apply
FSM
for
pentru
the
ocuparea locurilor
positions for
vacante
the vacancies
la
from
curțile de
SCM
apel, cât și la
or courts
colegiile
of
specializate
appeal and
și
specialized
consider
panels
că
also.
procedura de vetting în
And I believe
formatul
that the
care este
vetting
astăzi
procedure in the
oferă
format that is
destule
as of
garanții
today, it
de a
provides
fi
quite a lot of
trecută cu
guarantees
brio de către
to have it
judecătorii care vor fi
successful
candidați.
and to
Personal, în
have
urma
good
întrebărilor pe
judges
care am
as
primit
candidates.
de la comisie,
Following the
am
round of
constatat
questions
că o
that I
abordare
received from the
obiectivă
Commission, I found that there was an
aceștia
objective and
și cred că
unbiased
răspunsurile
approach,
mele v-au
and I
convins
believe that my
asupra
responses have persuaded
veridicității
you
acelor date
about
care v-am transmis.
my
Consider
declarations and the reliability of
că
my the
noi,
data
ca
that I've provided.
judecători, suntem acei
I
oameni
believe
care
that we
trebuie
as
să ofere
judges, we are
încredere
those
în
people that
sistemul
should
respectiv și
show
sunt convins
trust
că
and
majoritatea
bring trust
colegilor
in that system.
din
And I believe
sistem
that most of my
se
colleagues from
raportează la
the
acele
system
criterii de
are
integritate
relying
financiară
on
și etică
those
care
integrity criteria and
sunt prezente în
are reflected in those criteria,
activitatea comisiei de vetting. Așa că
and
vin
they
cu un
should
mesaj iarăși
apply for
de
this
îndemn
process.
spre
And I
participare
again
la
encourage them
concursuri și
to
la procedura
participate
de
in
vetting.
this competition and undergo this vetting procedure.
Well, we have come to the end of today's hearing. Judge CERBU, thank you again for your submissions and answers to the Commission's questions. After the hearing, the Commission will approve an evaluation report stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law Number 65. The Commission will strive to complete its evaluation report and announce its conclusion as soon as possible, and it generally seeks to do so within a month after a subject's public hearing. The hearing is now closed. Thank you again, and good afternoon to everyone.